If your radiator not getting warm, then check this following things. A cause you should check. Is the heating pump on? Maybe the heating system is still running in summer mode. In this case, the heating pump is switched off. Another common cause is the heating valve is stuck. Remove the thermostat. Check the heater valve. If the heater valve is stuck, carefully pull it out. Check if there is air in the heating system. To do this, turn off the heating pump. Turn all thermostats fully up. Wait 20 minutes. Then bleed the radiators. Start with the farthest radiator. Check if there is enough water in the heating system. For a detached house, the standard value is approximately 1.5 bar. You should check these things before calling a heating specialist. I hope the video helps you solve the problem.